Hello guys, so today we'll be flying on Qantas's A330 in business class from here. So I'm now on my way to the gate, but unfortunately we do not have time to check out the lounge. There is our aircraft today, the A330-200. It is their Oneworld Livery, and I don't know how old is the aircraft. Now let's go to the gate and board the plane. Now let's go to the gate. I need to board in business class. And today it's going to be an overnight flight, so tonight you can see now time for the business class experience. How are you today?
Yeah, all right, sir.
Welcome aboard. Is this Jason?
Yep, Tassel.
Yep,
Yep.
Tassel. Wonderful.
It is.
Hello. For you today. Welcome aboard. It's just for I travel so much. More business class. So here's our seat we're sitting today.
Oh, you got some other day?
Unfortunately, we're in the aisle seat, so fortunately we're not able to record the takeoff.
Everyone on board. Before you get underway, make sure all your bags are in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you.
Hey, I'm Lachlan. I moved to Lapland to marry the love of my life. This is my magic place. Your aircraft is fitted with escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If you need to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands on your knees.
Smoking isn't allowed on Qantas flights. Your aircraft is fitted with smoke detectors, including in the toilets.
So there's no smoking until you're back on the ground. This includes e-cigarettes and vapes.
Hi, I'm Bridget. We are back for the first time in years to surprise our family at our favourite restaurant just off Capo di Fiori.
Electronic device, it's time to switch it to flight mode. If you lose your phone or mobile device, please avoid moving your seat or trying to retrieve it, as phones and tablets can get damaged or destroyed if they get caught in the seat mechanism. Just ask a crew member for help.
Paris is a city of love, and I'm so lucky to call this my home. Your Qantas magazine is located in your seat pocket. It contains a health and safety section with important information on deep vein thrombosis or DVT.
Hi, I'm Nick. I've been all over the world, but I still call Sydney my magic place. It's time to get ready for takeoff. Ensure that your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed. If you're in business, return your seat to the upright or preset recline position and unplug any headsets or cables attached to the seat in front. And if you've missed anything, it's on your safety card, also in your seat pocket.
I'm Vanessa, a Qantas Boeing 787 pilot. Wherever you're flying to today, and for whatever reason, we hope your trip is a safe one. And we hope you get to your magic place again really soon. Thank you for choosing to fly Qantas.
歡迎乘搭澳洲航空。當我哋準備帶普通嘅澳洲人前往世界各地一啲奇特嘅地方嘅同時，請注意呢一個重要嘅安全訊息。
today our starting will be some bread and salad with butter and pepper and sea salt. And our main dinner will be, I ordered, is pork with peas, salad, and carrots, and also some water with some milk and nuts. Inside here are forks, knife, and spoon. And that is all I ordered for the main course at dinner. Course at start. So for today's in-flight entertainment on Qantas, so they have really good movies. Like now they have the new Trolls Free, which is Band Together. They have new movies premiere. Trolls, etc. Even the Marvels. There's tons of movies to choose. Even Paw Patrol. Tons of other movies. They really have good options to choose from. Even they have TV shows. And audio books. So you can study. News about Australia. And also surveys about the earth. So they serve breakfast in the morning. It is currently now 2:47. And today I ordered orange juice with some honey and butter. And soon we'll be landing. And this is our final catering meal.
Welcome to Sydney. Qantas would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the airport's lands, the Gamagal people, belonging to Botany Bay, and pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. The local time here in Sydney is 6:26 a.m. and it's Thursday the 28th of March. Now please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. And as always, smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted whilst disembarking or throughout the terminal. Please take care when opening overhead lockers that baggage may have moved and could fall out. Before leaving, ensure to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. If you can reach your phone, you can now turn off flight mode. And on behalf of all of us here in Qantas and Oneworld, thank you for choosing to fly with us. If you're visiting Sydney and Australia, we hope you enjoy your stay. And of course, those of you that are returning home, welcome home.
各位乘客歡迎嚟到悉尼，現在早上6:26，今日係3月28號星期4嘅，為咗乘客安全起見啦，請乘客留喺座上，直至扣上安全帶燈號咧，完全熄滅為止。乘客咧現在咧係可以使用你嘅手提電話。不過下熱歸本站落機，希望檢查座位前面嘅儲物袋同埋頭頂行李櫃，保障你個人嘅物品咧係遺留喺航機上面。另外咧稍後咧，如果你要從你嘅頭頂行李櫃出嚟行李時候，希望你盡量小心。如 如果乘客係繼續接駁澳航其他班機前往澳洲其他各大城市呢，內陸線呢，你係需要喺悉尼清關㗎。如果你對轉機有